protection, Army Ruger. I teach different shit, so just say I'm a tutor. Mug on my face, you can tell I do. Yeah, I stay away from losers.
Who's there?
Okay, man, just chill, alright? Yeah, that's right. I know what's in there, and I ain't leaving without it. You got me?
Hey, Thunder, put it back!
Let's take a trip, welcome to the killer zone. One to the head, you know he gone. Don't wish no harm, but you was wrong. I'ma eat this beat and go home. Keep a good pack of that strong, don't need no help, just leave me alone. Can't hang with dirty bastards. Chop these niggas up like some salads. My whole clique so savage, my baby is so classy. My stylist need you trash. They like train why he pass me, cause that young nigga hungry. He think more when he lonely. I'm addicted to the money. Blind veteran shooter, technique is very crucial. Protection, Army Ruger. I teach different shit, so just say I'm a tutor. Mug on my face, you can tell I do. Yeah, I stay away from losers. Blind veteran shooter, technique is very crucial. Protection, Army Ruger. I teach different shit, so just say I'm a tutor. Mug on my face, you can tell I do. Yeah, I stay away from losers.
Don't you move! What the fuck are you doing, you old man? I'll fucking shoot you! Don't you fucking test me!
Keep the faith and I pray. Barely sleep, but I'm okay. Stay ahead and get away. Before I hurt, you will pay. Smoking big blunts every day. Don't need no niggas anyway. I do bad by my lonely. Yeah, they hate and they phony. Finesse the game and make a shorty. Stay with knowledge and stay encouraged. Support bro, if he die, don't judge. Cause karma hit you like a stab from a mouth. Don't judge, cause karma hit you like a stab from a mouth. I'm veteran shooter, technique is very crucial. Protection, Army Ruger. I teach different shit, so just say I'm a tutor. Mug on my face, you can tell I do. Yeah, I stay away from losers. Blind veteran shooter, technique is very crucial. Protection, Army Ruger. I teach different shit, so just say I'm a tutor. Mug on my face, you can tell I do. Yeah, I stay away from losers.